How to watch DramaBox series. Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can watch DramaBox series for free. Now normally, when you open the application, it asks you to subscribe before you can play anything. But don't worry, I will walk you through a simple way to still enjoy your favorite shows without paying. First, go ahead and launch the DramaBox application on your device. In this video, I'm just going to provide you with a step-by-step guide using the PC or desktop version. I want you to scroll down and pick any series or movie you are interested in. Now, you will notice that as soon as you try to play it, the application will ask you to subscribe. Instead of subscribing, just minimize the application and open Google, all right? Or any browser you usually utilize. Now, in the search bar, right, like this one, I want you to type the exact name of the series or movie you wanted to watch. So I have a title in here, for example, okay? Make sure to spell the title correctly so the right results will show up. Now, here's the key part. After the name of the series, type the word Daily Motion, right? Daily Motion, okay? Hit enter. Now, most of the time, you'll see the episodes in full movie available in the search results. Just click one of them, and then you can start watching right away without needing a subscription. You can click on all or just the videos category. And that's it. By searching the show title together with Dailymotion added, you can bypass the subscription wall in DramaBox and still stream your favorite content. I hope you found this video very helpful.